This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and a rear spoiler. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Hudson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2020 Crestview Drive in Hudson.